Determine the nature of the roots in the following quadratic equations. We'll take up the first one, which is x minus 2a. So here we need to open the brackets. So I have x into x minus 2b minus 2a into x minus 2b equal to 4ab. I multiply x into x, x square, x into 2b, 2bx, minus 2a into x, minus 2ax, minus 2a into minus 2b plus 4ab equal to 4ax. So 4ab. So I have cancelled this. So what remains is here x square minus 2bx minus 2ax equals 0. So I'll do x square. From these two terms, I can take my x common out. So I will take plus x common out. Makes the sum a little easier. What remains in the first is minus 2b, and in the second term, what will remain is minus 2a, which is equal to 0. Now when I compare with, I'll put ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. My a will be 1 and the b will be, this entire thing will be b. Here, this will be my b. So I have my b equal to minus 2b minus 2a. And if you see, notice here, there is no c term. The c term is not there, so it is plus 0. There are only two terms here, the x square term and the x term. So the c is equal to 0. Now to find the nature of the roots, I need to find my discriminants. You know the formula for discriminant. The d is b square minus 4ac. So let's go ahead and solve that. So we have d is equal to, my b is minus 2b minus 2a the whole square minus 4ac, ac 1 and this is 0. So d equal to, from this inner bracket of minus 2b, I'm going to take, you can see a minus 2 common out. So I write this, I take minus 2 common out. So what remains here is b plus a. And now this is the whole square minus 0. So d equal to, now it's minus 2 the square, that means 4b plus a the whole square. Now if you examine this, we see that we can know that 4 is definitely positive, it's plus 4, and b plus a the whole square will also be positive because it is a square root, and a square is always positive. So we can conclude now d is positive, which means d is greater than 0. So roots are real and distinct. Just to go over it here, this minus 2 and minus 2, I've taken it common out here as minus 2. So what remains inside is b plus a. For the next one, to find the nature of the roots, we always have to know the d. So we need to compare it with the equation. Now if you notice here, I'm using capital A because the small a they have already used up. Bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, this is a, capital A, this would be my b, and this is c. So a is 9, a square, b is minus 24, a, b, c, d, and the c is 16, c square, d square. Now let's go ahead and find the value of our d. So we know d is b square minus 4ac. So d equal to, now this is the b. So b square will be minus 24, ab, cd the whole square minus 4ac. This is a and this is c. That is 9, a square, b square, and here 16, c square, d square. Now minus 24 into minus 24 is 576. Minus into minus, this minus into minus is plus. So you have a square, b square, c square, d square, minus 4 into 9 into 16 is 576, and here we will have a square, b square, c square, and d square. And the d now, this will cut out, and the d is equal to 0. If d is equal to 0, we know the roots are equal and distinct, and the equal and real, and real. Now here is the next one, and as it goes, we compare with the general. Now here when we are comparing, again the a has already been used up, so we take capital A square bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, I will get my a, will be my a, that is 2a square plus b square. This was b, coefficient of x, that is 2a plus b, and this is c. Now we need to go ahead and find out d. We know d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So the d will be equal to b square. This is our b. 2a plus b is b, and this is b square. 4, your a is 2a square plus b square, c is 1. So d 2 square, 2 into 2 is 4, and here is a plus b the whole square. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, and this is a square plus b square. So d equal to 4, a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this I copy, minus 8, this is a square plus b square. Let me open the bracket. 4 into a square, 4a square, 4 into b square, 4b square, 4 into 2ab, 8ab. Open this bracket, minus 8 into a square, minus 8a square, minus 8b square. Now I'm going to put the a square terms together. So when I put these two terms together, I will get minus 4a square. Now next I will put the b square terms together, and I will get 4b square minus 8b square minus 4b square, and this is plus 8ab. Here I can take minus 4 common out, so each one I divide by minus 4. Here the first term when divide minus 4 I get a square, here divide by minus 4 I get b square, and 8ab divide by minus 4 I get minus 2ab. So d equal to minus 4, a square b square minus 2ab, a minus b the whole square. Now let's examine this d. This is negative for sure. 4 minus 4 is negative. Now this is positive because it is a square. Square are always positives. So a negative into a positive number, we know negative number into a positive number always gives us a negative number. Minus into plus is equal to minus. So here d, I'll do it again, negative into positive is always negative. So d is negative. Negative means d is less than 0. So no real roots.